Meta has paused the use of an AI training program that tracks its own employees' keystrokes and mouse movements. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. The company has suspended the Model Capability Initiative, not because of workers' understandable displeasure around being perpetually monitored all the time or for potentially breaking privacy laws, but because it caused an internal data leak. Business Insider reported that sensitive data collected through MCI, including private conversations of employees, performance data, and transcriptions, and all these were made inadvertently available to the entire Meta staff. A spokesperson has said, "We've carefully designed this program with privacy safeguards, and while we have no indication at this time that any data was improperly accessed by Meta employees, we're pausing it while we investigate." Despite this official statement and previous others saying that employees' collected data would be tightly controlled, it appears Meta wasn't quite on as top of security as claimed. But this isn't the only time something like this has happened. This marks the latest in a series of AI-related cybersecurity incidents for the company. Meta representatives issued a similar response in March after an agentic AI took unprompted action that also dominoed into a security breach. And earlier this month, the company had to react after hackers exploited its AI customer service chatbot to hijack Instagram accounts. Due to all these security scares, the tech giant has decided to keep its tracking program low-key and has paused it for the time being. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.